Formulation adjustment completed. Next step, sampling. Pressure is stable at 45 psi, no leaks visible. Connection secure, ready for transfer.